Hi guys, my name is Bogdan. I'm here at CES today in Las Vegas. I'm very happy to be with the Romanian delegation and present you our greatest product. We're trying to make a home of innovation and startups, and we're trying to make one of the largest IT center, hopefully in Europe and why not worldwide. What we're going to do there in Craiova, our strategic position is that we're going to do an innovation center which actually gives you the proof of getting delivered the product or the manufacturer, what you're doing exactly to the right clients all over the world. We're trying to connect Silicon Valley with Europe, with the Middle East, why not with the Asians, and we're trying to make a whole blockchain focused on delivering startups and engaging customer relationships for their products in the specific markets. We are focused on some specific categories such as IoT, AI, blockchain. We're doing basically the whole IT niche, which give us a whole perspective of different projects from all over the world and from the whole domains, but preferably will be the IT niche. What we're doing there in Craiova is like we do a big IT resource center, and we aim to be one of the largest blockchain network, which will give the ability to connect people, as I said, from the Silicon Valley to the Europe and the rest of the world. We hope this project will help people and will help customers get delivered their products on the specific markets. Thank you very much.